Hi everyone. So I just wanted to come on and do a quick live video to chat to you guys about a hot topic right now, about home microneedling. But what I'm going to talk to you about home microneedling is my skincare routine, what I use during home needling and what I use post microneedling. I only done a live demonstration over on our private Facebook group just the other day, and I'm going to bring you through what I used in the live demonstration and what I've been using since yesterday, this morning, and now I'm going to use this evening. I've also got a nice offer for you guys, so stay tuned till the end, and it also comes with a free gift. So I was planning on coming on and doing this earlier, but I've just been busy all day with work and just family, children, everything that comes with it. It's now 20 to 12. I was actually up really late last night, 3:30. I swore I was going to go to bed early tonight, but here I go again. I did want to back out of this, and I was going to push it until tomorrow because I kind of made a commitment just to myself to come on and do a live video every day. It's what I'm going to try and do. I don't want to come on and not talk to you about anything worthwhile giving information on. But now at the minute we're getting lots of questions on microneedling. Because of our Image ADS roller. We've had like so many unexpected sales on it, so a lot of people have been buying it lately and are new to home rollering, so they have a lot of questions coming through. We've got an amazing offer on it, and that's part of the reason why so many of them have sold. And also just because microneedling is one of the top skin treatments being performed now professionally in our 3 clinics in IFC Dundrum and Swords, but also for home rollering. It's became very, very popular. I'm really tired at the minute, so I'm going to try and make this quick and I'm a bit shut-eye, so I'm going to try and stay awake and alert until I get to the end of this video. If you guys have any questions, not expecting too many people to tune in this late at night, so if you're watching back this live video tomorrow, Thursday, which is the last day of January. God, this month absolutely flew. But if you do have any questions as you're watching the video, just leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you personally myself, or you can private message or get through on any social media platform that we have. If you are a client of ours, if you want to get part of the Facebook group, if you're not already, you do get free access to it. You would have received a link from us in an email at some point. Or if you've purchased anything off us on our online shop, if you're not a client in one of our clinics having treatments, purchasing a product or a treatment from our online shop also gives you free access to our private Facebook group, where you'll get a lot more skin tips and tricks and demonstrations, which is where I done the live microneedling demonstration the other night. If you can't find the link, we can get that sent on to you. Just email us shop@havanaskinclinic.com and we can get that straight on to you. Okay, so I'm going to kick straight into this, so I'm not here too long. I'm going to start with what I use during my live needling demonstration. So obviously before we got going with the needling on the night, I cleansed my skin using the Illuma lightening cleanser from Image Skincare. It's very gentle on the skin, and it's also great for anybody who suffers with pigmentation, which I do. So I double cleansed with this, and I also added, I actually forgot to bring it here to show you, but it was the Derma Micro Daily Microfoliant powder, which I just added to a small amount of the Illuma cleanser on the second cleanse, and it just gave it that little bit of a deeper clean. It's very important that you fully cleanse your skin before doing rollering, because you don't want any debris or any particles on the skin being rolled into the skin, because that's going to completely go against what you're trying to do. So it's really important that your skin is thoroughly cleansed. So if you don't already double cleanse, make sure you do before you do your needling. I actually done a live video yesterday, which if you scroll down a little bit on the page, you'll be able to see that I actually done a demonstration of doing a double cleanse on that video. So after I cleansed, I then went on and I applied my Hyaluronic Filler, which is the top product that I would recommend to use when needling your skin. So I applied a good amount of this on section by section as I went along and rollered the skin. And then when I was finished doing my needling, I applied another small layer all over the face because I had opened the microchannels in my skin. So it's important then that you're applying your products so that you get the best efficacious delivery of your products and get the best from your products. That's the whole purpose of doing your microneedling, as well as producing collagen and elastin in the skin to get rid of the dead skin cells and promote fresh, healthy skin to the surface, and overall rejuvenation and anti-aging as well, to get your products deeper as you go forward post needling. So immediately after the treatment is when you would apply your hyaluronic filler also. Then the third product that I used was the SPF. Even though it was late at night again when I'd done that video, a lot of people would ask, why would I apply SPF when I'm not outside and it's dark out? But like that, again, you're protecting your skin from environmental damage, which is what your SPF is going to do, and also from free radicals. And it's got zinc oxide in this product, which is healing for the skin. So obviously your skin is going to be inflamed after you do microneedling, and this is exactly what you need. So that was all I applied on my skin, and I slept with them products on that night. It's important not to tamper with the skin too much because it's already going to be inflamed and irritated after your microneedling. So you leave the skin be and go to bed with those products on, or if you've had professional treatments done, whatever products your specialist applied on your skin post-treatment, is you wouldn't cleanse off that night, you would sleep with them products on and cleanse the following morning. Another tip while we're here, a little bit off topic but not, change your pillowcase that night that you've needled your skin, because you don't want like that any bacteria getting into the skin that you've just opened microchannels on. You want it completely fresh and clean, so new pillowcase. Okay, on to then yesterday morning, which is the following morning after doing my microneedling. Not much redness on my skin. I actually posted a picture on the private Facebook group, so if you're part of that, you should have seen it. If not, go over and check out and you can see exactly how my skin responded. Just a couple of little red patches, not too noticeable, hardly any at all. More patches 3 hours post-treatments, which you'll also see on the private Facebook group, an image of that. But by the following morning, most of the redness was gone. So the following morning, what I did was I then cleansed again with my Illumina Lightning Cleanser, and I then applied my hyaluronic filler also. And third step was SPF. Very simple, just these 3 products. You don't need to have an army of products or be loaded up at home with all these expensive products. I know a lot of people would promote to, microneedling is the chance that you get all your actives and all your ingredients into your skin. Yes, that's true, but it doesn't mean that you need to go and invest in all these extra products unnecessarily. You most likely will probably already have them at home. If you're unsure if the products that you're using at home are right for using after microneedling, send them through. I'll check them out for you and I'll let you know if they're suitable. Then yesterday evening before I went to bed, again, I just cleansed my skin and applied the hyaluronic filler. I didn't apply SPF as a third step, just these 2 products. Then this morning, my sister flew in from Dublin, and I'd actually ran out of a couple of products, so she stocked me right up. I gave her a list of what I needed before she came over. So this evening I'm going to be introducing different products into my routine, but this morning again all I did was I cleansed, hyaluronic filler, then I added in, just for the sake of it because it was right in front of me as I was reaching for my SPF, I just done a spritz with the Dermalogica Antioxidant Hydra Mist. I just find this very hydrating and refreshing on the skin. Not an essential, not something that I'd say you need to rush out and buy for using after your microneedling. It was just an add-in that I used today, but again, it was safe to use and good for getting into my skin when the microchannels are opened after doing my microneedling. And after that then, the all-important SPF. If you've no products, this is the product that you need to have, and obviously you need to be cleansing your skin as well with whatever ingredients that you have at home. Okay, and now on to tonight's routine. What I'm going to use is, again, I'm going to cleanse my skin. I'm going to then use my Hyaluronic Filler, keeping it nice and simple. And new product that I got today is the Biopeptide cream from Image Skincare. This product is a great one after microneedling because it's loaded with vitamins and nutrients, but it's an organic blend of biopeptides. So ingredients that would be in this product would be aloe vera, chamomile, grape seed extracts, and the other important one is green tea. So all very natural to the skin, natural ingredients, and that's going to feed my skin nicely now, nice and deeply after doing my microneedling. So I'm really looking forward to layering a good amount of this on. Haven't used this product in months and I've been dying to get it over, so I was delighted that Denise is coming today because I now get to use this product. If you don't have any extra night creams, another one that you could look at using would be like vitamin C night creams, hydrating repair creams, but nothing too active, like no glycolics, no salicylics, no retinols, or it's too soon after microneedling. I'm now only on day 2 post, so I'm going to keep it nice and natural. Then I'm not going to apply SPF again, so it's just these 3 products this evening. In the morning, of course, I'll be using my SPF, and what I might introduce into my skincare tomorrow, because I got it again today and I suffer with pigmentation, is the Illuma Lightening Serum. And I'll probably use that again tomorrow night. I'll see how I feel tomorrow. I'll see how my skin is. I might just go on and do the same tomorrow, what I done today, or if not, I'll change it up and use the Lightening Serum. So that's it, guys. I hope that helps just to kind of see real life routine for post microneedling, because I know there's not a lot of videos out there on it. We do have a video over, we have lots of videos. Sorry guys, it's late and like my voice and all is breaking now, so I do need to just go to bed. But we have lots of videos over on our YouTube channel, where you'll get all the fancy videos that are edited down. You do get a few live bloopers, as you've witnessed here on these live videos. It's not something that I'm used to doing, and it's always very difficult to do a live video and keep it kind of going. So please bear with me. Nothing too fancy you'll get here on a live video, but if you want fancy and if you want all the extra detail, because a lot of the time I'll leave stuff out in live videos, and when I'm finished I'll be like, oh Jesus, I never said that, that was important. If I remember, I'll come on and I'll do it the following day. And any questions that you have as well, I'll address the following day too on a live video. But you'll get a lot more information over on our YouTube channel if you want to be studying up some more information, and that's Havana Skin Clinic TV. Okay guys, I'm going to leave it at that. The offer that I have for you, I'm going to leave in a link below this video, and it's for our Image ADS home roller. You'll be getting 66% off, and also it's going to include a free gift. So make sure to go and check it out if it's something that you're considering doing. We have put a lot of research and time into investing in the right roller to offer to our clients, because we were struggling really with getting consistency with any rollers that we were using in our clinic to offer to our clients. So we worked on this roller for almost a year, and right now we've got 66% off because of a silly mistake made on the packaging. It was just a text error, so our choice was to either bin them or offer a huge discount in order to get them out there. So they're up there for you now to avail of while the discount is there before they sell out. So go check it out, and if you have any questions, let me know. As always, feel beautiful, be happy, confidence is key. Chat to you guys later. Bye.